Good boy.
This is really scary before being in season.
Hey, yeah.
See. Like the long grass.
Yeah.
Nala, come here.
Come here.
What's this?
Stay.
Alright, if we turn around and walk the other way, they should follow us the other way. Nala, see? Come on, keep walking. See, like girl. No? I can walk nice. I've realised it's when I'm loud it makes her wrong. I have to talk calm and call her clever.
So on the way home. She's just getting tired. She knows we're going home, so like, shit, right, I'll calm down now, I'm tired.
That's like Kim, like, Kim's when he's going home and he just takes his time and all that shit.
What is it did? And Anna lived in there. Sometimes when my dad would drop him off, because my dad would pick him up every night, we'd come back this way because I'd ask him, can we go down the beach? He always used to say there was monsters in there, like Freddy Krueger and that. And it was always dark. I've no walked past there in years, I'm terrified of it, I hate it.
It looks like a fucking castle.
Oh, it basically, it's like a wee sort of thing with that, mate.
But
see on that roof,
Jason and Freddy lived there.
Cool as fuck. Like years ago, they used to have like a sort of wee annex at the side where you could get onto the annex and then go onto the big roof and you could go to the turrets and all that shit and that.
Turrets as a machine gun.
Well, no, turrets is like basically the round bits at the top, mate.
Oh,
that's a turret, like where it's got the wee squares cut out and all that
I
stuff.
thought you meant like one of the fucking
Well,
electric machine gun.
Machine gun turrets are basically the same, mate. It's a round sort of structure that you can fire it.
Yeah.
Like with them, it's for like, in the olden days, it was for like bows and arrows and all that shit, mate. So
Cannons and shit.
Aye.
Morgan used to live there, that's where he used to stay there for a bit, and I swear Uncle Jack did as well.
I take it they took the flag off it. There's a flagpole.
I love the name of it, Muir House Mansion, mate. Aye. There's a caravan club right here, Dylan.
Eh?
I've got a caravan club.
Well, that's where all the fucking gypsies come through then.
No.
That's private.
That's quite expensive.
I'd love to stay there though.
What is that? Just a field?
It's just a caravan club. I'm assuming they have caravans for you, but most of the
No,
time
it's one of the ones
Or
that
caravan
it's
or
a
motorhome.
motorhome.
it's like you take your own caravan
Or
for
motorhome.
where you.
Come on. Hey, we're not going in the woods.
So things like these. I'd love a wee fucking van like that.
Now I'll move.
Stop trying to take off the muzzle. You.
I was saying to Dylan, I want a wee motorhome. I just want to be able to travel a bit.
Breakfast there.
Come on. I've got a girl. Well done.
Is this where we came out of when we were in the red flags?
No, we're not going that way. Oh, come on.
Good job.
It's no easy. She's peeing.
Right, mister.
That was a big pee. Oh, she's there.
There's no one of you, it's the fucking other one, isn't it? Down, halfway.
Hey, come on, you can walk in the long grass, but you're not pulling me into it.
You're not the way to do.
She was moaning and she was like, I could have swapped my shift with Demi, so I could have just finished after the sleepers and just taken to bed. If I swapped with Demi, we'd have both to go to bed in the car.
Right.
But I'm glad I never said you can do it. Right, looks like what they need.
Right, one.
But literally, as soon as I go up to her work, as she always does, oh, can you take a bath clean for me? Fucking toilet paper, baby wipes,
Maeve,
genuinely. She was like, oh, well, you need to take it if you want to wipe there. I said, what do you mean? Right, where's that bath from? You can buy toilet paper.
thank you.
What?
I'm videoing for Nalla's YouTube video. We're talking about shit and all this thing. I'm going to have to mute it all. It's going to be just a silent walk. No background noise.
Put music over it.
I bet.
Uncopyrighted music.
Alright, I'm just going to say that they know, like, stop, like, setting things and actually music, you know?
They didn't stop it. They just
Copyright claim it.
you didn't get paid for it if you're a big YouTuber. To
Ah.
copyright it, you didn't get money for that video.